nature can live without man, but man cannot live without nature. And basically, that Similipal, all the villages around, so that the tribal they are living. So among the tribal is the peace and calm people they are living. They are totally dependent on nature. And their culture is patterned on the basis of this nature. And very sad to say that this culture, that human heritage, cultural heritage is declining day by day. Language is declining, culture is declining. We should focus on that. And this is the topic, decline of Dasai dance, that you must hear. Dasai dance belongs to basically Santal culture. And you know, in Mayurbhanj, 18 tribal groups are there. On total, 62 tribal groups are the whole Odisha. And the tribal group, that is Santal, is dominating over the Mayurbhanj, 43.13% 2011 census. The problem area is the dance you saw, that is now that face threats, and this dance is rare to be seen. From my childhood, I belong to Baripada. From my childhood, I was seeing this dance during Dasara time. But slowly, they stopped coming. I belong to Tentulininga area. And also, my wife's house is in Bellam, that is Sankirka, Badkirka areas. So this is Santal area, and they were coming, but they stopped coming. So I started asking the methodology, that is literature I read, and interviews with the old people and those who are in music. And you know, Kirtan has substituted that. Kirtan. So many Santal people, they are included in the Kirtan, and that the indigenous culture has been declined. So in the cause of decline, very rare to see. We are saying the endangered species. We should say the endangered culture. So Dasai root, there is a very beautiful story that Aryan and non-Aryan fight. So what older they say, that non-Aryan, that leader was Budur Durga, and he was not defeated. He was not been able to defeated by these Aryan people, those who attacked. And there is a plan from Aryan people that there is a beautiful woman that Devi was saying, and Devi so betrayed the king, and after betrayal, what happened? The Aryan defeated the non-Aryans. The Adivasis then went to the jungles. They started searching these two people, that Devi and Durga. And in this, you see, Dasai dance, the beautiful song, this, you see, the chant, beautiful song, and that version, English translation version, this Haire, Devi O Durga, both have gone, Devi O Durga, both have left, Haire, O Guru, why did both of them go away? O Guru, why did they both have leave? Haire, O Shishya, they both have left for this land only. O Shishya, they both have left for this earth only. So they were searching in disguised manner. And you see that they were wearing the saris as dhoti. And in a disguised manner that they are searching here and here from house to house and from village to village. And Desai represents that significance, that Guru Shishya tradition is there. In Kirtan also you find tradition, and here Dasai dance, Guru Shishya tradition is there. And they perform this during this Dasara time, and also they believe that Matru Puja or the Durga Puja, and they believe, that they believe that the whole earth is mother, the trees and all, their god and goddesses, mountains and all. So for them, and in the village route they perform, and traditional music system, cross-dressing tradition. Cross-dressing means they adopted that sarees as their dhoti, and different gender wise dress. And the dance connected with nature. How it connected with nature? That's performed during harvest festival. You know, growing, sowing, growing, and harvesting. And after growing, then they wait for harvesting during that period, October months, that is performed. Peacock feathers. You can see peacock feathers there, symbolizing beauty and grace of nature. Floral garlands and natural motifs they use while they are dancing. Outdoor performance, they go to village. Rhythmic movements are there, and tribal custom this is, and this is declining. And these instruments they use, that is hanja, bell, and hua, that is a lau tamba from the lau sukhegiri, that is red the flute. And dress pattern, you know, color sarees, turbans, peacock feathers, artificial flower garlands, and that is declining. Why? Loss of institutional support. Earlier, Bhanja King supported. After Bhanja King, no one is supporting them. Institutional support, government support is required. Modernization is a very important point here. Because everybody they are migrating towards the towns. And Lajo Laguchi, ମାନେ older जने कहले से VIP ହେଇଗଲେ ସେମାନେ ଆସୁନା, ମାନେ they are means what, due to the effect of modernization, cultural dilution. Now, if you go for I visited YouTube, and in YouTube so many Dasai dances are there, but not in Dasai indigenous form. It is just fusion of the modern and album music, and that is declining. Lack of awareness, policy support, and economic migration is the most important thing. And we see that we are restricting them to go to the jungle and all. So how their economy is depend on the jungle and all. So what they do, they migrate to others. So then due to migration, their culture will be lost. So this is the finding that the site faces challenges and its declining state. Local groups perform during festivals, and elders teach youth, that is Guru Shishya Parampara. So these efforts lack coordination and funding. So I recommend documentation should be made, and in media and festivals, in the festival also, they should be encouraged, and financial institutional aid should be given. School curriculum, if we include this type of the side dance and all, so the students will know, new generation will come forward. Empowering community is very important. Participation. That is the conclusion. That is the finding. Thank you very much. Thank you.